Hi, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back. Here is discussion of Trial SPM 2022 Terengganu Paper 2. Question number 1A. A string with a length of 120 cm is bent to form a rectangle with the length of x cm and width of y cm. Roman 1. Show that the area of rectangle A equals to 60x minus x squared. Okay, so for A Roman 1, okay, given the 120 string, okay, form a rectangle. So we draw a rectangle, okay, with the length of x and width of y. Okay, so since of given string 120 cm, this one actually the perimeter. Okay, so perimeter is 2x plus 2y equals to 120. Okay, so this one we can simplify, divide by 2. X plus y equals to 60. Okay, so now we are going to find the area of rectangle. So all in terms of x, meaning that for the first equation, we need to express y in terms of x. So now we have y equals to 60 minus x. Okay, so then to find the area of rectangle, length times width, right? So x times y. So now we have y here is 60 minus x. We substitute. Okay, so this one xy is 60 minus x. Okay, so then 60 x minus x squared. So this is the area so shown. Roman 2, hence find the maximum area of the rectangle. Okay, here we have the words of hence, meaning that we are going to use the previous answer. Okay, so the clue here is maximum. We can use differentiation or completing the square because of quadratic, but I prefer use differentiation method. Okay, so maximum means we differentiate the function and equals to 0. Since we have a in terms of x, so we differentiate, we will get dA dx. Okay, so the Roman 2, here we have a in terms of x, differentiate dA dx. Okay, equals to 60 minus 2x and equals to 0 because of maximum. So then 2x equals to 60, x equals to 30. Okay, so x equals to 30 is the value of x then that makes a maximum. So ni nilai x yang menjadikan area maximum, belum lagi area. Okay, to find area we substitute x equals to 30 into the area. Okay, so a equals to 60 times 30 minus 30 squared. Okay, equals to 900. B, given y equals to x plus 3x squared and x increases at the rate of 1 over 5 unit per second. Find the rate of change of y when x equals to 4. Okay, so for this question, the clue is a rate. Okay, so meaning that we are going to use differentiation. Okay, the rate of change, right? So we need to create the chain rule here. First of all, we have y equals to x plus 3x squared. So we have y in terms of x. We differentiate, we will get dy dx equals to 1 plus 6x. Okay, so now given here x equals to 4. And then we can substitute into dy dx. We will get here 25. So dy dx equals to 25. Okay, what else here given x increases at the rate? So dx dt, okay, equals to 1 over 5. Okay, so then to find the rate of change of y, rate of y. So you can create the chain rule dy dt, right? So it's dy dx times dx dt. Okay, we already have dy dx which is equals to 25 and dx dt given from the question is 1 over 5. So then we simplify, we will get 5. Number 2, given a curve of quadratic function fx equals to x minus 4 squared plus p with y-intercept 7 and intersect a curve of gx equals to negative 3x squared plus q plus 10x minus 21 on the x-axis at two same points. A, find the values of p and of q. Okay, for here we have function fx equals to x minus 4 squared plus p. Another one, gx equals to negative 3x squared plus q plus 10x minus 21. Okay, so if you want to sketch these two graphs, both are quadratic. Okay, and we should know the basic shape of quadratic graph is either set or smile curve. Okay, now we have fx. The value of a is 1. Okay, so meaning that smile curve. And for function gx, the value of a is negative 3. So meaning that set curve. Okay, so then we try to sketch. This one is fx. Okay, another one is gx. Okay, intersect on the x-axis at two same points. Okay, here we got x-axis. They intersect at two same points. Okay, meaning that these two graphs have same roots. Okay, so then given y-intercept is 7 for function fx. Okay, y-intercept x0. Okay, so then we substitute x0 into fx. Okay, so x equals to just now x minus 4 squared plus p. So fx is 7, x is 0 minus 4 squared plus p. Okay, so we can find the value of p is p equals to 7 minus 16. So p equals to negative 9. Okay, so now fx is x minus 4 squared minus 9. Okay, so now we already have the function of fx. So then we try to convert into general form. Yang ni vertex form, right? So we convert into general form, we will get x squared minus 8x plus 16 minus 9. So this one is x squared minus 8x plus 7. Okay, so this is function fx. Okay, just now we agree that these two functions have same roots. Okay, so we can find the roots for function fx. Okay, roots intersect at x-axis, so meaning that fx equals to 0. So kita dapatlah x squared minus 8x plus 7 equals to 0. This one we can factorize. We will get x minus 1 and x minus 7 equals to 1. Okay, so the roots are x equals to 1 and x equals to 7. The roots of function gx are x equals to 1 and x equals to 7 as well. So we can substitute x equals to 1 into gx. Okay, so gx just now is negative 3x squared plus q plus 10 x minus 21. So we can substitute x equals to 1. So here we will get negative 3, 1 squared plus q plus 10, 1 minus 21. Okay, so this one equals to 0. Okay, so then we will get here negative 3 plus q minus 10, plus 10 minus 21 equals to 0. So then kita boleh dapatlah q equals to 14. Okay, so actually if we try to substitute x equals to 7 into equation gx pun kita boleh dapat q equals to 14. So you all boleh try lah. Okay, so now we already have the value of p is negative 9 and the value of q is 14. Okay, next B. Hence, by using the method of the completing the square, find the coordinates of the maximum point of gx. Okay, this is your gx and we already have q equals to 14. So we substitute q equals to 14 into gx. Okay, so gx negative 3x squared plus 14 plus 10 x minus 21. So this one is negative 3x squared plus 24x minus 21. Okay, so this is general form of function gx. So we need to use completing the square to convert into vertex form to find the maximum point. Okay, so first of all, we need to make sure that the value of a is 1. But here we have negative 3. So meaning that we need to factorize negative 3. So factorize negative 3, we will get x squared minus 8x plus 7. Okay, so then this one equals to negative 3x squared minus 8x. Okay, so kita kena plus b over 2 squared. So negative 8 over 2 squared minus negative 8 over 2 squared. Then plus 7. Okay, so then this one we will get, ambil ni dengan ni. So here x minus 4 squared. So this one negative 4 squared is 16. Okay, so negative 16 negative 4 squared plus 7. Okay, so this one negative 3 x minus 4 squared. Okay, negative 16 plus 7. Okay, negative 9. Okay, so then we open the big bracket. We will get negative 3x minus 4 squared plus 27. Okay, so this is the vertex form. Okay, so then the axis of symmetry, okay, in the bracket equals to 0. Okay, so axis of symmetry. Okay, x minus 4 equals to 0, then x equals to 4. Okay, and this one ni maximum value. Okay, so maximum value, sorry. Maximum value, okay, y equals to 27. So therefore maximum point. Okay, so maximum point, coordinates x and y. So 4, 27. 3. Solution by skill drawing is not accepted. Diagram 1 shows the location of Azman's house, school and market connected by 3 roads on Cartesian plane. Given the equation of the straight line for the road and that connected house to school is 2x plus y equals to 9, and equation of the straight line for the road that connected market to school is 2y minus x plus 2 equals to 0. Okay, so given diagram like this, okay, A, find the coordinates of school. Okay, you can see from the diagram here, school is intersection of these two straight line. Okay, so to find the point of intersection, we can use simultaneous equation. Okay, so we have 2x plus y equals to 9. And another one, 2y minus x plus 2 equal to 0. So you can solve simultaneously by using elimination or substitution method. Okay, let's say I want to use substitution. Okay, here I make y subject. So this one, 9 minus 2x equation 1. So another one, 2y minus x plus 2 equals to 0 equation 2. So 1 into 2. Okay, so I will get 2, 9 minus 2x minus x plus 2 equals to 0. Okay, so this one 18 minus 4x minus x plus 2 equals to 0. I have here 5x equals to 20 and x equals to 20 over 5 is 4. Okay, so then substitute into, let's say, 1. So y is 9 minus 2 times 4. So y equals to 1. Okay, so therefore coordinate school is 4, 1. B. Determine whether the road connected house to school and the road connected market to school are perpendicular. Okay, so now to test if the two lines are perpendicular. Okay, so we need to find the product of the gradient is negative 1 or not. Okay, so first of all, we need to find the gradient of each line. So here we have 2x plus y equals to 9. Y subject negative 2x plus 9. Then the gradient is negative 2. Okay, so another equation, 2y minus x plus 2 equals to 0. Then 2y equals to x plus 2, y equals to x over 2 plus 1. So then the gradient is 1 over 2. So we try to find the product. So m1 times m2, negative 2 times 1 over 2, which is equals to negative 1. Okay, so then meaning that these two lines are perpendicular. perpendicular. C. A signboard is placed at the coordinates 12/5, 1/5 on the road that connected between market and school. Find the ratio of distance between market and school to the signboard. Okay, so here we have market and school. So this straight line. Okay, so the points 12/5, 1/5, both positive. Somewhere here, let's say here. So this one is 12/5, 1/5. Okay, so just now coordinate of school is 4, 1, and coordinate of market we can find y-intercept x equals to 0 into the equation. So into y minus x0 plus 2 equals to 0, then to y plus 2 equals to 0, to y equals to -2, y -1. So this coordinate is 0, -1. Okay, so the ratio, let's say mn. Okay, so we try to find the ratio. Okay, so subject is 12/5, 1/5 equals to, let's say we try to cross coordinate x first. So cross. Okay, so here n times 0 plus m times 4/m plus n. Okay, so then for coordinate y, so again we cross n times -1 plus m times 1/m plus n. Okay, so then we compare coordinate x with x and y with y. Okay, so let's say x first. 12/5 equals to n times 0 is 0 plus 4m/m plus n. So then we cross, we have 12m plus 12n equals to 20m. Okay, so then this one we have 12n equals to 8m. So 12/8 equals to m/n. So m/n equals to 3/2. So the ratio is mn equals to 3:2. Then if you compare coordinate y with y, so we will get the same answer, the same ratio, m:n equals to 3:2. Tapi saya tak tunjuk lah, you all boleh try. D. A telecommunication company plans to place communication tower between house, school and market. The tower is equipped with a fence to prevent any trespassing. Given the equation of the locus of the fence centered on the tower and its diameter 2 units is x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 4y plus 7 equals to 0. Find the coordinates of the communication tower. Okay, so now given already the equation of locus of telecommunication tower, which is this one. Okay, so we can predict this is a circle because of given diameter 2 unit. Okay, so then let's say this is a circle. Okay, which is the fence. Okay, circle we have center. Center is tower. Okay, so the fence, let's say we have a moving point F, X, Y. Okay, and center telecommunication tower, let's say we have A, B. Okay, so since this is circle with diameter 2 units, so meaning that the radius is 1 unit, half of diameter. Okay, so we can find the equation of locus for this one. Okay, so by using formula of distance, so distance ft equals to 1. So distance is square root x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equals to 1. Okay, so here x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equals to, we square both sides to eliminate the square root. Okay, so 1 squared is 1. Okay, so this one we open the bracket, we will get x squared minus 2ax plus a plus y squared minus 2 yb plus b squared minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, so then we rearrange. Okay, so here is x squared plus y squared minus 2ax minus 2 by. Okay, plus a squared plus b squared minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, but now given this equation, given equation x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 4y plus 7 equals to 0. So then we compare. Okay, so we compare. Okay, so compare what? This one, the coefficient for x. Okay, here we have negative 2a equals to negative 4. So then a equals to 2. Okay, so then we compare coordinate y. Coefficient y. So here we have negative 2b equals to negative 4, same. So b equals to 2 as well. Okay, so then the coordinate of tower. Okay, so tower is 2, 2. Okay, actually we can test this one. We compare this one and this one. A squared plus b squared minus 1 equals to 7. Okay, kita boleh substitute ni. 2 kuasa 2, 4. 4 tambah 2 kuasa 2, 4. 4 tambah 4, 8. 8 tolak 1, 7 sama. Number 4, diagram 2 shows a circle with a center O. A straight line JK and LK are tangent to the circle which intersect at point K. Given that angle OKL equals to alpha and LO equals to 14 cm, find the perimeter of major sector LOJ in terms of alpha and pi. Okay, so now given radius is 14, so this one 14 as well. Okay, this one is alpha, so this one alpha as well. Okay, so L and J tangent, so 90 degree, 90 degree. Okay, so to find this angle 180 minus 2 alpha, tapi 180 in radian is pi, so this one pi minus 2 alpha. Okay, so we are going to find the perimeter of major sector. So this one, major sector perimeter. Okay, so for this arc, we are going to use S equals to R theta. So we need to find this one, theta first. Okay, so theta is 360. So 2 pi minus pi minus 2 alpha. Okay, so this one equals to 2 pi minus pi plus 2 alpha equals to pi plus 2 alpha. Okay, so to find the perimeter, so perimeter is S equals to R theta, so R theta plus 14 plus 14. Okay, so radius is 14, theta is pi plus 2 alpha, so plus 28. So then we open the bracket, we expand 14 pi plus 28 alpha plus 28. Number 5, the sum of the first 3 terms of a geometric progression is 8 times the sum of the next 3 terms. A, find the common ratio of the progression. Okay, so now let's say we have a geometric progression T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. Okay, so then A, okay, given the first 3 terms, okay, this one, the sum of the first 3 terms equals to 8 the sum of the next 3 terms. So meaning that T1 plus T2 plus T3 equals to 8, T4 plus T5 plus T6. Okay, since of this is geometric progression, so formula of Tn is A r power of n minus 1. So T1 is A, T2 is AR, T3 is AR squared. So T4 is AR cubed, T5 AR power of 4, T6 AR power of 5. Okay, so apparently we can factorize this one, make it same. Okay, so this one 8r cubed. So A plus AR plus AR squared. Okay, so then we can eliminate this. Okay, so A plus AR plus AR squared over A plus AR plus AR squared equals to 8R cubed. Okay, so this one equals to 1. So 8R cubed equals to 1. So then R cubed equals to 1 over 8 and R equals to 1 over 3. 1 over 2. This is the common ratio of the progression. B, given the sum of the first three terms exceed the sum of the next three terms by 98. Based on the answer in 5A, find Roman 1, the first term of the progression. Okay, so just now we have first term A, AR, second term, third term AR squared, then AR cubed, AR power of 4, AR power of 6. Okay, so based on the answer in 5A, we have R is 1 over 2. So we substitute into this term. So we have A, this one 1 over 2A, 1 over 4A, 1 over 8A, 1 over 16A and 1 over 32A. Okay, so now dia kata the sum of the first three terms exceed. So lebih lah kan, so tolak So A plus 1 over 2A plus 1 over 4A. Okay, minus the next three terms. Okay, so 1 over 8A plus 1 over 16A plus 1 over 32A. Okay, by 98, so equals to 98. Okay, so then kita simplify lah. Yang the first bracket ni, we will get 7 over 4A. Okay, yang the second one ni, we will get 7 over 32A. So equals to 98. Okay, so then we have 49 over 32A equals to 98 and A equals to 98 times 32 over 49, which is equals to 64. Okay, so this is Roman 1. Roman 2, find the sum to infinity of the progression. Okay, so sum to infinity, we can use formula as infinity is A over 1 minus R. So based on the answer, A is 64. And just now R is 1 over 2. So as infinity equals to 128. Number 6A, solve the trigonometric equation sin x plus 30 degree equals to 2 cos x for x more equals than 0 degree but less or equals than 360 degree. Okay, so now for this question, we have addition formula for sine. Formula number 35, sin A plus B equals to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Okay, so then by using this formula, we can solve this. Okay, so this one 2 cos x. Okay, so the left side become sin x cos 30 plus cos x sin 30 equals to cos x. Okay, so cos 30 is special angle, okay, which is equal to sec 3 over 2. So we substitute sin x sec 3 over 2 plus cos x. This one sin 30 is 1 over 2 equals to 2 cos x. Okay, so this one is sec 3 over 2 sin x plus 1 over 2 cos x equals to 2 cos x. Okay, so then sec 3 over 2 sin x equals to 2 cos x minus 1 over 2 cos x. Okay, so 2 cos x minus 1 over 2 cos x is 3 over 2 cos x. So 3 over 2 cos x. Okay, so then so sine over cos is tangent. So sin x over cos x equals to 3 over 2 over sec 3 over 2. So this one is tangent x equals to 3 Sert 3. Okay, 3 sert 3 is sert 3 eh. Okay, so tangent x equals to sert 3. Okay, to solve this, tangent positive in quadrant 1 and quadrant 3. Okay, so to find x, shift tangent sert 3. So we will get 60 degree. Okay, 60 degree in quadrant 1. In quadrant 3, 180 plus 60, which is equals to 240 degree. B, given cos x equals to negative 8 over 17 for x from 0 to pi, and sin y equals to negative 24 over 25 for y from pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. Without using the calculator, find the value of Roman 1 second to x. Okay, so B Roman 1, we are going to find second to x. So second is 1 over cos. Second to x is 1 over cos to x. Okay, here we have a double angle formula for cos. We have three formulas here. So cos 2a equals to cos squared a minus sin squared a. We have cos 2a equals to 2 cos squared a minus 1, or cos 2a equals to 1 minus 2 sin squared a. Okay, so since we have the value of a cos, we are going to use the second formula. So we substitute here is 1 over 2 cos squared, this one x lah, x minus 1. Okay, so this one, the value of cos x is negative 8 over 17 squared minus 1. Okay, so then this one is 1 over 2 times 64 over 289 minus 1, and the final answer is negative 289 over 161. Roman 2, find the value of sin y over 2. Okay, so Roman 2, we are going to find sin y over 2 here. Angle y, so here y. Okay, so y is between pi over 2 to 3 pi over 2, meaning that in quadrant 2 or quadrant 3. Okay, so here we have quadrant 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so now sign negative. Okay, sign negative, this one add sugar to coffee. Sign negative in quadrant 3 and quadrant 4. Okay, just now kita identify in quadrant 2 and quadrant 3. So yang overlap dia dekat quadrant 3 lah. Okay, so we are going to draw right angle triangle in quadrant 3. Okay, so kita draw right angle triangle. Okay, this is y. Okay, sign is so. Okay, opposite is 24 and hypotenuse is 25. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we can find the adjacent, which is equals to 7. Okay, so now sin y over 2. Okay, y over 2 meaning that half angle. Okay, we have formula of double angle, then we can improvise to find formula of half angle. So cos 2a equals to 1 minus 2 sin squared a. So kalau cos a equals to 1 minus 2 sin squared a over 2. Okay, in this situation we have angle y. So cos y equals to 1 minus 2 sin squared y over 2. Okay, so then nanti kita kena jadikan sin y over 2 as subject. Okay, so here sin 2 sin squared y over 2 equals to 1 minus cos y. Okay, so then sin squared y over 2 equals to 1 minus cos y over 2. Okay, so from right angle triangle, we can find cos y. So 7 over 25. Okay, so we substitute 1 minus 7 over 25. Okay, this is in quadrant 3. So cos in quadrant 3 negative. Okay, so divide by 2. Okay, so we will get 16 over 25. Okay, so then sin y over 2, ni square kan. So kita square root kan lah. So square root 16 over 25 plus minus 4 over 5. Okay. So then tadi sin y in quadrant 3, right? Sin y in quadrant 3. So negative. So sekarang sin y over 2 mestilah half daripada quadrant 3 in quadrant 2. So quadrant 2 kita kena ambil yang positif. Sin positif. So sin y over 2 equals to 4 over 5. 7a, rationalize the denominator and simplify. Okay, so here we have 3 over sec 3 minus 3. So to rationalize, we need to multiply with the conjugate. So sec 3 plus 3 over sec 3 plus 3. Okay, with opposite sign. Okay, so this one 3 times sec 3 plus 3 over, okay, so the denominator we have formula a minus b, a plus b equals to a squared minus b squared. So this one becomes sec 3 squared minus 3 squared. Okay, so here is 3 sec 3 plus 3 over, okay, sec 3 squared is 3 minus 9 equals to negative 6. Okay, so then we simplify. Okay, we will get negative sec 3 plus 3 over 2. B Roman 1 show that log hk base a squared equals to 1 over 2 log h base a plus 1 over 2 log k base a. Okay, so B Roman 1. Okay, to show we choose left or right. Let's say I choose from left hand side. So from left hand side, log hk base a power of 2. Okay, so this one we are going to show the right side log base a, meaning that we need to change the base. Okay, so this one log base a, log base a, this one hk, this one is squared. Okay, so by using the laws of logarithm, so multiply become plus. So log h base a plus log k base a. Okay, over this one we can move in front. So 2 log a base a. Okay, so log a base a, this one log a base a is 1. Okay, so this one is equals to 1 over 2 log h base a plus log k base a. Okay, so this one 1 over 2, we expand h base a plus 1 over 2 log k base a. So equals to right hand side and shown. Roman 2, hence if 1 over 2 log 5 base a plus 1 over 2 log q base a equals to 1, express a in terms of q. Okay, so Roman 2, we have 1 over 2 log 5 base a plus 1 over 2 log q base a equals to 1. Okay, express a in terms of q. Okay, here we have the words of hence. Okay, meaning that we need to use the previous information. Jangan nak derive semula. If you derive semula, memang you tak akan dapat markah. Okay, so meaning that we need to substitute the value of 5 and q into this formula. Okay, so this one, the left side ni akan jadi log 5q base a squared equals to 1. Okay, so then we convert from log form to index form. We will get 5q equals to a squared power of 1. So times 1 lah. Okay, so nanti kita akan dapat a squared equals to 5q and a square root 5q. 8. Diagram 3 shows a graph of a curve y equals to fx. A straight line y equals to 1 over 3x minus 7 is a normal to the curve at point B. The gradient function of the curve is kx minus 12, where k is a constant. Given that the curve has a minimum point at 4, negative 15 over 2, A, find Roman 1 the value of k. Okay, so first of all, given the gradient function is dy dx equals to kx minus 12. Okay, we have a minimum point at 4 negative 15 over 2. Right here, okay, the gradient is 0. Minimum point gradient is 0. So then the point of x is 4. So we substitute here k times 4 minus 12 equals to 0. Then for k equals to 12. Then we will get k equals to 3. Roman 2, find the coordinates of point B. Okay, so Roman 2, to find coordinate of point B, B is intersection point of normal and the curve and the tangent. Okay, so then here we have equation of normal, y equals to 1 over 3x minus 7. From this equation, we can find the gradient of normal. Okay, so m normal equals to 1 over 3. And we know that normal and tangent perpendicular. So we can use formula of gradient of normal times gradient of tangent equals to negative 1. Gradient of normal 1 over 3 times gradient of tangent equals to negative 1. Then we can find gradient of tangent is negative 3. Okay, gradient of tangent is dy dx. Okay, just now this is dy dx. Okay, so dy dx, we already have the value of k. So we substitute, so 3x minus 12, kita samakan dengan negative 3. So then 3x equals to 9, then x equals to 3. Okay, this is coordinate x of point B. Okay, so to find coordinate y for point B, we substitute into the equation of normal. So then y equals to 1 over 3 times 3 minus 7. So which is equals to negative 6. So then point B is 3 negative 6. B, find the equation of the curve. Okay, so to find the equation of the curve, we need to integrate dy dx with respect to x. Okay, so dy dx is kx minus 12. K is 3, so 3x minus 12. We integrate both sides. Okay, with respect to x. Okay, integrate dy dx, we will get y, and integrate 3x squared over 2 minus 12x plus c. Okay, so then from the diagram here, we can see the y-intercept is 33 over 2. Okay, y-intercept x0. So y is 33 over 2, 3 over 2, 0 squared minus 12, 0 plus c. So then c equals to 33 over 2. So therefore, equation of the curve, kita masukkan balik y equals to 3 over 2x squared minus 12x plus 33 over 2. C, if the curve move 4 units to the left, find the new equation of the curve. Hence, find the volume generated in terms of pi when the region bounded by the curve and the straight line y equals to negative 6 is revolved 180 degree about y-axis. Okay, so now first of all, we already have the equation of curve y equals to 3 over 2x squared minus 12x plus 33 over 2. Okay, so then the minimum point is 4 negative 15 over 2. 4 maksudnya ni lah. The value of x is 4 and the value of y is negative 15 over 2. Okay, so then this curve move to the left 4 unit. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is the new minimum point of the new curve. So if we sketch like this. Okay, for the new curve, the new intercept, y-intercept is negative 15 over 2. And the axis of symmetry is x equals to 0. Dia punya A still same. So the new equation is y equals to 3 over 2x squared. Dia punya axis of symmetry dah 0. So meaning that B equal to 0. So minus terus je dengan dia punya y-intercept, which is equals to 15 over 2. Okay, so this is the new equation. Okay, so to find the volume generated, when the region bounded by the curve and the straight line y equals to negative 6. Okay, negative 15 over 2 ni is negative 7.5. So if y equals to negative 6, atas sikit lah. Kat sini. Okay, so ni region bounded dia yang kita nak revolve about 180 degree about y-axis. Okay, so then we are going to use the formula. Kita choose dulu formula. Okay, since of revolve about y-axis, so kita gunakan pi ab x squared d y. Okay, so then we need to make x as subject from this equation. So we have here 3 over 2x squared equals to y plus 15 over 2. So then x squared equals to 2 over 3y plus 5. Okay. So then we substitute into this formula. Okay, lower limit is negative 15 over 2. Okay, upper limit is negative 6. Okay, x squared is 2 over 3y plus 5 dy. Then we integrate. We will get 2y squared over 3 times 2. Okay, plus 5y. So negative 6, negative 15 over 2. Okay, so then kita boleh simplify this one. Okay, so then we substitute upper limit. So this one is negative 6 squared over 3 plus 5 times negative 6. Okay, minus lower limit negative 15 over 2 squared over 3 plus 5 times negative 15 over 2. Okay, so then this one, for y equals to negative 6, we will get negative 18 minus this one, negative 75 over 4. Okay, so the final answer will be 3 over 4 pi. 9. Given that OAB is a triangle, point C lies on OA and point D lies on AB. The straight line BC intersect the straight line OD at point E. It is given that OA is to OC equals to 4 is to 3, AB is to AD equals to 2 is to 1. Vector OA equals to 20x and vector OB equals to 9y. Okay, so looks like we need to draw triangle AOB first because it's not given the diagram. Okay, so let's say here is the triangle. Okay, so OAB. Okay, we have point C on OA and point D on AB. Okay, so then B, this one C, this one D. So BC intersect with OD at point E. Okay, so the ratio OA is 4, OC is 3. So meaning that this one 3, 1. Okay, AB is 2 and AD is 1. So this one 1, 1. Okay, so then OA. Okay, so we have OA here is 20x. 20x. Okay, and OB is 9y. So OB 9y. Okay, so now we are going to find the BC. Okay, so from the diagram you can see BC is BO plus OC, right? We must write the triangle law. Okay, so BO is BO you can find, then OC is 3 over 4 OA. Okay, so then this one, so we substitute BO is negative 9y plus 3 over 4 OA is 20x. Okay, so this one is negative 9y plus 15x, okay, or 15x minus 9y. This one Roman 1. Okay, Roman 2, find vector OD. So Roman 2 vector OD. Okay, OD is OA plus AD. OA plus AD. Okay, we can use OD is OB plus BD as well. Tapi I choose OA plus AD. So this one OA plus, okay, AD is 1 over 2 AB. And to find AB, plus 1 over 2 AB is A, O plus OB. Okay, so then we substitute. Okay, OA is 20x. This one 20x plus 1 over 2. AO is negative 20x plus OB is 9y. Okay, so then we expand 20x minus 10x plus 9 over 2y. Okay, so then this one 10x plus 9 over 2y. B, if vector BE equals to M vector BC and vector OE equals to N vector OD such that M and N are constant, find the values of M and of N. Okay, so now we are going to find two unknown which are M and N. So meaning that maybe we have to use simultaneous equation. Okay, so that we need to create two same vectors. Okay, so in this situation, previously we already have the value of vector BC and value of vector OD, right? Okay, so now we start from the given here vector BE equals to M vector BC. Okay, so from A we have BC, so we just substitute BC is 15x minus 9y. Okay, so then we expand 15mx minus 9my. Okay, so then we have to create another vector BE. Okay, so from the diagram, BE equals to BO plus OE. So BO plus OE. Okay, so now given from the question here, OE is NOD. So NOD kita masukkan je lah. Okay, NOD we already have from question A. So kita masukkan juga. So BO is negative 9y plus N. OD is 10x plus 9 over 2y. Okay, so then this one negative 9y plus 10nx plus 9 over 2ny. Okay, so then we rearrange. So 10nx plus 9 over 2n minus 9y. Okay, so then to solve, we have to compare. So compare, okay, vector x with vector x and vector y with vector y. Okay, so for x first, this one and this one. Okay, so here we have 15m equals to 10n. Okay, so m equals to 2 over 3n. Okay, let's say this is equation 1. So then next we compare y with y. Okay, so here for vector y, negative 9m equals to 9 over 2n minus 9. Okay, so now this is equation 2. We substitute 1 into 2. So 1 into 2. So negative 9m is 2 over 3n equals to 9 over 2n minus 9. Okay, so ni kita boleh potong kan. So this one negative 6n equals to 9 over 2n minus 9. Okay, so now kita simplify this one. 9 equals to 9 over 2n plus 6n. So then 21n over 2 equals to 9 and n equals to 6 over 7. So we substitute into 1. So m equals to 2 over 3 times 6 over 7. So m equals to 4 over 7. C, it is given that magnitude x equals to 2 unit and the area of the triangle OAB is 140 units squared. Calculate the perpendicular distance from B to OA. Okay, so we are going to find perpendicular distance. So ni lah So bukan BC BC ni tak in scale. Okay, so then we have given here area equals to 140 unit squared. Okay, area of triangle is 1 over 2 times base times height. Okay, kita sama dengan 140. Okay, so actually the perpendicular distance from B to OA is the height. Okay, so then we are going to find H here. So we substitute 1 over 2 times base. Base is OA. Okay, OA is 20x and x is 2 units. So 20 times 2 units lah times height equals to 140. Okay, so kita boleh cari this one. H equals to 140 divided by 20. So H equals to 7. Number 10A, in a shooting game at Taman Jaya, the probability of winning is 12.5%. Imran has bought tickets to play N games. The probability for Imran to win once is 15 times the probability of losing all the games. Roman 1, find the value of N. Okay, so for this question, this is about probability distribution, and since of the variables are discrete, so then we are going to use binomial. So Px equals to R and CR P power of R Q power of N minus R. Okay, so now probability of winning 12.5%. So meaning that P is 12.5 divided by 100, 0.125. Then Q is 1 minus 0.125, which is equals to 0.875. Okay, so N ni tak tahu Okay, so now given probability Imran win once. Okay, so P X equals to 1 equals to 15 times. Okay, probability losing all. Okay, losing all maksudnya winning 0. So P X equals to 0. Okay, so then we substitute into the equation. So here is NC1 0.125 power of 1, 0.875 power of N minus 1 equals to 15 NC0 0.125 power of 0, 0.875 power of N. Okay, so kita pecahkan by using laws of indices here. So NC1 is N. Okay, this one 0.125 power of 1 samalah kan. So this one 0.875 power of N divided by so power of negative tu kan 0.875 equals to 15. NC0 is 1. Okay, 0.125 power of 0.1. So this one 0.875 power of N. Okay, so then kita boleh eliminate this one. Okay, so then kita boleh cari, so N equals to 15 times 0.875 divided by 0.125. So nanti N akan dapat 105. Okay, this one Roman 1. So Roman 2, calculate the standard deviation of the number of wind. Okay, so Roman 2, we have formula of standard deviation is square root NPQ. This is for binomial distribution. So N just now 105. P is 0.125 and Q 0.875. So then we square root. Okay, we will get 3.3889. B. Diagram 4 shows a standard normal distribution graph representing the volume of mineral water in bottles produced by a factory. It is given the mean is 990 and the variance is 225. If the percentage of the volume more than V is 28.1%, find Roman 1 the value of V. Okay, so now this one given X is a volume. Okay, since of given the normal distribution, so here given mu is 990 and variance 225, meaning that the standard deviation is square root 225, which is equals to 15. Okay, so then given 28.1% ni probability so probability X more than V. So more than V equals to 28.1% is 28.1 over 100. Okay, so then kita kena convert into standard normal distribution first. So PZ more than V minus mu 990 over 15 equals to 0.281. Okay, so then we have to sketch the graph of normal. This one 0. Okay, more than. Okay, more than from the right. So kat sini pun dia dah bagi kat situ kan gambar dia kat sini. Okay, so then right here lah. Okay, so how to read the table for V minus 990 over 15. So kita tengoklah dekat sini table dia, kita kena cari given the probability 0.281. Jadi kita kena cari 281 281. Okay, exactly so kita baca je lah. Okay, so how to read this one 0.58. Okay, so this one equals to 0.58. So then V equals to 0.58 times 15 plus 990. So V equals to 998.7. Roman 2, find the probability that volume between 970 and 1015. Okay, so Roman 2 volume just now X more than 970 but less than 1015. So kita nak cari dia punya probability. Okay, so first of all we need to make it standard. So 970 minus 990 over 15. This one Z 1015 minus 990 over 15. Okay, so this one is negative 1.333. So and 1.667. Okay, so then we sketch the graph. Okay, this one 0, negative at the left side, negative 1.333 and positive at the right side. Okay, so Z between, so meaning that we are going to find the shaded region. Okay, so first of all we need to find the probability for this one. Nanti or guna calculator or by using table. This one the value is 0.0478. Okay, and yang this one is 0.0913. Okay, so to find the shaded region, which is the probability is equals to 1 minus 0.0913 minus 0.0478. Okay, which is equals to 0.8609. 11. A student carry out an experiment to investigate the relation between temperature T and the gas pressure P of a type of gas. Variable T and P are related by the equation P squared equals to nk power of T, where n and k are constants. The result of the experiment are recorded in the table 1. Okay, given 6 values of T and 6 values of P. A. Plot log P base 10 against T using a scale 2 cm to 5 units on the T axis and 2 cm to 0.1 unit on the log P axis. Hence, draw the line of best fit. Okay, so since of plot log P base 10 and against T, okay, kita T tu tak payah cari lah. Okay, kita just cari log P base 10. Okay, so then you press your calculator. Log 1.622 is 0.21. Log 2.138 is 0.33. Log 3.548 is 0.55. Log 5.248 equals to 0.72. Log 6.166 equals to 0.79. Log 7.943 equals to 0.90. Okay, in the table you give into decimal places all the values. Okay, so now we can see the values of T increasing. Okay, menaik negative 10, negative 5, 5, 10, 15, 20. And the values of log P base 10 are increasing as well. Naik juga kan. So we can predict if both increasing. So kita boleh predict lah kita punya graph is positive graph. Okay, so ni big X and big Y. Okay, so positive graph. Okay, so you use a scale 2 cm to 5 units on the T axis and 2 cm to 0.1 unit on the log P axis. Okay, but now for log T axis, okay, we have to reserve the negative side. Dekat sini kan negative 10 semua kan. Okay, so then you plot the points. You akan dapat macam ni lah. You cuba sendiri Okay, so then to negative 10, 2 unit, 2 cm, negative 5, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, in axis T. Okay, then for axis log P, ni lah 0.1. So 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9. Okay, so then we try to join all points. Tapi kalau tak boleh, you have to balancekan lah. Yang tak kena tu mesti macam ni, tak kena 3 kan, 2 atas 1 bawah. Ataupun mungkin boleh 1 atas 2 bawah. Okay, so make sure balance. Okay, so this is your graph. Okay, next question. It is found that one of the values of P has been wrongly recorded by the student. From the graph in A, determine the correct value of P. Okay, so then the wrongly recorded value normally yang the obvious. So this one, this point lah. Okay, so nak cari yang correct, so kita bawa ke straight line. So kita baca this one. Okay, so 0.67. Okay, but this one is the value of log P base 10. So B log P base 10 equals to 0.67. So then P, you all tekanlah calculator shift log 0.67. We will get 4.6774. C, use the graph in A to find the value of K and N. Okay, so before to find the value of K and N, we need to reduce the equation. So given the nonlinear equation is P squared equals to nk power of T. Okay, since of given the clue here is log, so we need to log both sides with log 10. So log P squared base 10 equals to log nk power of T. Okay, so this one we can use the laws of logarithm. We will get log n base 10 plus log k power of T base 10. Okay, so and the and this one we can move in front. So 2 log p base 10 equals to log n base 10 plus this one same. So t log k base 10. Okay, so since of this one is the big Y, so we have to make log P base 10 as subject. So all divide by 2. So here is log P base 10 equals to 1 over 2 log N base 10 plus T over 2 log K base 10. Okay, so kita rearrange. Okay, because we know that T is big X. Okay, so this one is 1 over 2 log K base 10 T. Okay, plus 1 over 2 log N base 10. Okay, so here we can compare with the big Y equals to M big X plus C. So now the gradient is 1 over 2 log K base 10. Okay, so kita boleh carilah gradient. Okay, so gradient is 1 over 2 log K base 10. Okay, so graph kita yang kena. Okay, so the first and the last one. So we can use this value. Okay, so then kita masukkan into formula of gradient y2 minus y1. So 0.90 minus 0.21 over 20 minus negative 5. Okay, so this one is 0.0276. Okay, so then kita boleh simplify. This one log K base 10 equals to 0.0552. And then K equals to 1.1355. Okay, so done. So the intercept. Okay, just now intercept is this one. 1 over 2 log N base 10. Okay, so kita bacalah daripada graph kita. Okay, so this one is 0.44. So 0.44. Okay, so then log N base 10 equals to 0.88 and N equals to shift log 0.88, 7.5858. 12. A particle moves along a straight line and passes through a fixed point O. Its velocity v meter per second is given by v equals to 8 plus 2t minus t squared, where t is the time in seconds after passing through a fixed point O. Find A, the initial velocity in meter per second of the particle. Okay, so now given v equals to 8 plus 2t minus t squared. Okay, A, initial velocity, t equals to 0. So t equals to 0 into v. So 8 plus 2 times 0 minus 0 squared. Okay, so this one equals to 8 meter per second. Okay, B, the maximum velocity in meter per second of the particle. Okay, maximum velocity A equals to 0. Okay, so to find A, we need to differentiate the velocity. So is dvdt. So A equals to 2 minus 2t. So maximum velocity A equals to 0. So this one equals to 0. Then we can find the value of t is 1. So t is 1. So we substitute t equals to 1 into the v. So v max equals to 8 plus 2 times 1 minus 1 squared, which is equals to 9. C, find the value of t at which the particle stop instantaneously. Okay, so stop meaning that v equals to 0. So stop, v equals to 0. Okay, just now v is 8 plus 2t minus t squared equals to 0. So then we can factorize this, we make it positive, so minus 2t minus 8 equals to 0. So we will get t plus 2, t minus 4 equals to 0. So then t equals to negative 2 and t equals to 4. Okay, t is time. Time always positive, so we choose t equals to 4. Okay, D. Find the total distance in meter traveled by the particle in the first 6 seconds after passing through O. Okay, so to find the total distance, we need to find the displacement first. Okay, so S. So to find S, integrate V. So V is 8 plus 2t minus t squared dt. Okay, so this one we will get 8t plus 2t squared over 2 minus t cubed over 3 plus c. So when t equals to 0, so S equals to 0, then C equals to 0. So then S equals to 8t plus, this one we can simplify, t squared minus t cubed over 3. Okay, so to find the total distance travel in the first 6 seconds. Okay, so meaning that from t0 to t equals to 6. So then we have to test v equal to 0. Okay, v equals to 0. Just now v0 t equals to 4. Okay, so then here we have to substitute t0 into S, T4 into S and T6 into S. So when T equals to 0, so S equals to 8 times 0 plus 0 squared minus 0 cubed over 3. So this one equals to 0. Okay, then when T equals to 4, so T equals to 4, S equals to 8 times 4 plus 4 squared minus 4 cubed over 3. So this one equals to 26, 2 over 3. Okay, when T equals to 6, S equals to 8 times 6 plus 6 squared minus 6 cubed over 3. So this one equals to 12. Okay, so then to find the total distance, we need to sketch in the number line. So this value, and this value. So 0, 26, 2 over 3, positive to the right. So 26, 2 over 3 and 12 right here. Okay, so when t 0, S equals to 0. Okay. When t equals to 4, S equals to 26, 2 over 3. At this time, the particle change direction. So macam ni. Okay, so this one when t equals to 4. And when t equals to 6, S equals to 12. Okay, so the direction is like this. So total distance, okay, you have to find from here to here. So 26, 2 over 3. Okay, plus from here to here, 26, 2 over 3. Okay, minus 12. Okay, so then we can find the total distance is 41, 1 over 3. 13. Diagram 5 shows a plot of agricultural land in the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD, which is divided into two parts. Part of the land ABC will be planted with corn and the rest of the land will be planted with pineapple. Given sine angle ACB equals to 7 over 10 and angle ADC is an obtuse angle. The fence is built along AC. A, find the required fence length. Okay, so now to find fence length, actually we are going to find the length of AC. Okay, so now first of all, we need to label all the information given. Here, triangle ABC planted with corn and ADC with pineapple. Okay, so then given sine ACB, this one. Okay, sine angle ACB is 7 over 10. So sine angle ACB is 7/10. So angle ACB, shift sine 7/10 is 44.43. So this one 44.43. Okay, so then the opposite side is this one, and given length 1 to 5, the opposite angles is BAC. So in order to find length AC, first of all we need to find angle BAC first. Then after that we find angle ABC. Then barulah kita find length of AC. Okay, so first of all we need to find angle BAC first. So A, we have sine BAC over opposite side is 1 to 5 equals to sine ACB over opposite side is 96. Okay, so then sine BAC equals to sine ACB given already is 7/10. Okay, so divide by 96 times 125. Okay, so then we can find angle BAC equals to 65.71. So we label here angle BAC 65.71. Okay, so this one label 65.71. Okay, so then we can find angle of ABC 180 minus 65.71 minus 44.43. Okay, so angle ABC equals to 180 minus 65.71 minus 44.43. Okay, so this one which is equals to 69.86. Okay, so then 69.86. Okay, so then we can find length of AC by using cosine rule. So AC squared equals to 96 squared plus 125 squared minus 2 times 96 times 125 times cos 69.86. Okay, so then we try to find by using calculator and we square root, we will get 128.75. Okay, so actually to find AC we can use formula of sine rule as well. So nanti dapat sama jawapan dia. B, Roman 1, calculate angle ADC. Okay, so angle ADC, this one. Okay, just now we already have length of AC is 128.75. Okay, from question A. So to find angle ADC, we can use cosine rule. Okay, so B, Roman 1. So the subject is 128.75 squared equals to 55 squared plus 99 squared minus 2 times 55 times 99 cos angle ADC. Okay, so then cos ADC equals to 55 squared plus 99 squared. Okay, minus 128.75 squared divided by, yang bawah ni kena letak bracket So 2 times 55 times 99. Okay, so then lepas tu nanti dah dapat tu, you all shift cos. We will get angle ADC which is equals to 110.15. Okay, so Roman 2, find the area in meters squared, the part of land planted with pineapple. Okay, pineapple is ADC. So formula of area is 1/2 AB sin C. So this one 1 over 2 times 55, okay, times 99 sin 110.15. Okay, so the answer is 2555 and 87. C, find the shortest distance from D to AC. Okay, so actually shortest distance is like question number 9 tadi, question of vector kan. Okay, so shortest distance is height for area of triangle ADC. So area of triangle ni, okay, so the shortest distance is this one. The perpendicular line from point D to length AC. Okay, so then previously we have area of ADC equals to 2555.87. Okay, but then the formula of area is 1 over 2 times base times height. So equals to 2555.87. Okay, so the base actually the length of AC and the height actually the shortest distance. So kita substitute je lah. So 1 over 2 times base is 128.75. Okay, times height equals to 2555.87. Nanti kita boleh cari height is 2555.87 times 2 divided by 128.75. Okay, so the shortest distance ataupun the height is 39.7028. Number 14, diagram 6 shows a bar chart for the daily expenses for the items PQRSNT in the year 2020. Table 2 shows the price and the price indices of the items. Okay, A, find the value of X and of Y. Okay, here given price 2020, so P 2020. So next, price 2022, so P 22. Okay, price index. Okay, price index is I. 22 base 20. Okay, so then to find to find X and Y. Okay, A. We have formula price index. Okay, I 22 base 20 equals to price 22 over price 20 times 100. For item P, okay, so kita boleh carilah the price index is 175 equals to price 22 is 7 over X times 100. Okay, so then X equals to 7 times 100 over 175. Okay, so price 2020 is 4 ringgit. Okay, so to find the value of Y, here we have item R. Item R. So Y equals to price 22 is 55 ringgit. Okay, over 40 ringgit. Okay, times 100. Okay, so this one equals to 137.50. B, calculate the composite index for the price of the items in the year 2022 based on the year 2020. Okay, so B, to find composite index, okay, we have formula I bar. So 22 base 20 equals to summation of IW divided by summation of W. Okay, so then price index times weightage. Okay, so for the first one, 175 times 15. Okay, plus 125 times 30. Okay, Y tadi is 137.50. Okay, times 24. Then 150 times 33 plus 120 times 12. Okay, so divide by total of weightage. So 15 plus 30 plus 24 plus 33 plus 12. Okay, so then kita kira ni, nanti kita akan dapat this one equals to 140.92. This is the composite index 22 base 20. C. The total weekly expenditure for those materials in 2020 is RM 4,560. If an allocation of RM 1,000 is provided for daily expenses in 2022, is the allocation sufficient? Okay, so C. Previously we have composite index I 22 base 20 equals to 140.92. Okay, so this one kita boleh samakan this composite index with the formula of price index. So price 22 over price 20 times 100 equals to 140.92. Okay, so given expenditure in 2020 is 4560. So kita substitute 4560 times 100 equals to 140.92. So P22 is 140.92 times 4560 over 100. Okay, so kita akan dapat 6425.95. Okay, but this one is weekly. So weekly. Okay, so now given the daily expenses are 1,000. So kita nak cari daily expenses is 6425.95 divided by 7 days. Sebab weekly kan. So this one kita akan dapat 917.99. Okay, so this one is less than 1,000. Okay, so then sufficient. So the answer is yes. D. The cost of the items increased 20% from the year 2022 to the year 2024. Calculate the composite index for the year 2024 based on the year 2020. Okay, so now from question C, we have composite index 2020 to 2022. Okay, so the composite index is 140.92. Okay, so now given 22 to 24 increase 20%. So to 24 increase 20%. So the composite index is 120. Okay, so now we are going to find composite index 2024 base 2020. So composite index 24 base 20 is 140.92 times 120 divided by 100. Okay, so this one equals to 169.10. 15. Use a graph paper to answer this question. Additional Mathematics Panel SMK Seri Belian would like to buy X reference books published by Company A and Y reference books published by Company B. The price of a reference book published by Company A is RM12, while a reference book published by Company B costs RM16. Purchases made are based on the following constraints. Okay, A, write three inequalities other than X more equals than 0 and Y more equals than 0, which satisfy all the above constraints. Okay, so then for first constraint, okay, so here given, first of all, kita kena identify lah, X is reference book for company A and Y reference book for company B. Okay, so now for the first constraint, the number of books published by company B purchased is at least 10 more than company A. So company B, so Y lah kan. So then Y at least more equals than 10 more than company A. So X plus 10. Okay. So then the second one, the number of books published by company A purchased is more than 10. Okay, so X lah. More je. So more je, tak ada equal sign. Okay, so then the third one. Okay, we have here cost, the purchase cost does not exceed RM 960. Okay, just now for X is 12 ringgit and for Y is 16 ringgit, right? So 12X plus 16Y does not exceed. Okay, so then less or equals than 960. Okay, now we already have the three inequalities. Then for B, using the scale of 2 cm to 10 books on the both axes, construct and shade the region R, which satisfy all the above constraint. Okay, so in order to find the region R, so first of all, we need to draw the line of, for the first inequality, we need to draw line Y equals to X plus 10. Okay, the second one, we draw X equals to 10, and the last one, draw line 12X plus 16Y equals to 960. Okay, so by using 2 cm to 10 books, okay, so kita draw lah kat sini. So I dah draw dah. Okay, so for x-axis 10 cm to 2 cm to 10 unit, samalah for y-axis. Okay, so be careful for line x equals to 10, since of dia punya inequalities tak ada equal sign, so dotted line. Okay, so this one is the region R. Okay, so next question C. Use the graph constructed in 14B to answer the following questions. 1. Find the maximum total number of book that can be purchased. Okay, so nak cari maksimum yang paling jauh daripada origin. Okay, so we have to read this point and this point. Which one is maximum, kita kena test. Okay, for this one, kita dapat this one is 1152. Okay, X11, Y52. X tak boleh 10 sebab dekat apa dia punya line tu dotted kan. So tak termasuk dalam region. Okay, so then for another point here we have 28 and 39. Okay, so then to find the maximum, kita carilah. So C, Roman 1. Okay, so maximum total. Kalau yang the first point 1152. So total 11 plus 52. Okay, this one equals to 63. Okay, so then for point 2839. So total is 28 plus 39, which is equals to 67. Okay, so dia nak yang maximum. So yang maximum is 67. Okay, so the maximum total number of book total books equals to 67. Okay, so then Roman 2, determine the minimum cost of purchasing reference books. Okay, so then dia nak cost yang minimum. So this one minimum cost just now is 12x for 12 ringgit for X and 16 ringgit for Y. So 16Y. So this one just now the minimum, kita kena baca lah kat sini. Okay, so the minimum is 11 and 21. So this one 11, 21. Okay, so then we substitute here 11, 21. So 12 times 11 plus 16 times 21. So the minimum cost is 468 ringgit.